Hello everyone. After my Haley and Kumar planner video, some of you reached out to me and asked me for more budget planners. And of course, I went to my 2021 planner video to find out if there were more budget options that I can dig out for you guys. So here's presenting the Artificient Planner. This planner is priced at $599 plus shipping, but in November they're running their launch offer and it is priced at 500 plus free shipping. I know it is a great price, but I was blown away by what I saw inside the planner. With the planner, you not only get just the planner, but also 2 sticker sheets and a bookmark. So without further any ado, let's look at the planner and see what's inside. This is the first page for your name and your picture. This page has vision board. Then you have the bucket list and books to read section. There is also a watch list for movies or series that you watch. There is a habit tracker and there are 4 of them. So 2 on this page and the 2 after. But this is a great habit tracker as this is an habit tracker for the entire month, the entire 365 days. And you can actually see live in front of you whether annually how that habit went for you. But on the flip side, this becomes a little iffy if you want to track a particular habit 1 month and then switch on to the next habit the next month, or a few months you want to practice one habit. Once you've developed that habit and you can go ahead and practice another, that becomes very difficult here. But otherwise, this is a great way to look at your habits. This is the up close of the habit tracker. So you can see there are months and there are little dates written. So you can write down your habit and actually track it, either color it with a highlighter or just strike it off the day that you've done that habit. This is the next set of habit tracker, the next page. Then there is a yearly outlook calendar. This means you just have the 12 months in one big grid. Of course, then we have the monthly grid, which has a good note section as well. Then this page has a sufficient space for the budget tracker, which is great. Now we come down to the weekly section. So this is essentially 4 weeks in one glance, 14 days on one page. Oh, that's not just 4 weeks. There are 5 weeks in 1 month. So there's a back page as well. And then I think the daily pages will start. So there will be 10 such daily pages, which is 3 days a page, and then 10 such pages. That means 30 days a month you will have this grid. And of course, this will go on for the next 12 months. At the end of the planner, there are a couple of empty pages. I think that is it about the video. Let's see if there are some details that we are missing. Okay, this is an A5 planner with 192 pages. The stickers that are here will not be cut. You'll have to cut them. I think other than that, I have given you the information that this is at 500 plus free shipping at this point till the November month ends, and then it will be $599 plus extra shipping costs. So that's their launch offer. So before I give my verdict, just to let you know, as you see, this is an Instagram shop. It is based only out of Instagram. So to order, you will have to ping them on Instagram, DM them on Instagram. That is one thing. So I think those are all the details that I have for this planner. I have already given my 1-word review for this planner. My mind is blown. So much thought has gone into this planner, and the cost that they're offering is great. I feel this is a great planner for all the budget seekers. I don't know about the page quality yet, but since they are an Instagram store, you can actually DM them and ask them whatever questions that you have. I think this is a great planner for students. The monthly section, you can have your assignments, submissions, exam schedule, all of that. In the weekly section, you can have your class schedule, and in the daily section, you can actually have your daily to-dos. This is such a thoughtful planner for somebody who's on a budget or somebody who's a student who needs a little bit of organization in their life. This is it for the video today. I will be doing more videos for you this month on available planners in India. And December will have more of the planner setup videos. I still have to decide what my second planner would be. So please keep your suggestions flowing in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon in another planner video. Bye now.